Wednesday Market Recap. Key takeaways from the morning meeting with Jim Cramer. Welcome back to the channel. Every weekday at 10:20 a.m. ET, Jim Cramer and the CNBC Investing Club break down the latest market trends, stock updates, and investing strategies in the morning meeting. Here's a recap of Wednesday's key moments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Patreon for exclusive market insights. 1. Market mixed as tech bounces, defensives pull back. 1. Stocks opened higher but saw mixed action by midday. The Dow turned red as defensive stocks pulled back. The Nasdaq rebounded, led by a rally in beaten-down tech stocks. 2. Why the volatility? Investors focused on cooler-than-expected inflation data rather than new tariffs. The wholesale inflation report, PPI, is due Thursday morning. 3. Jim Cramer's take. The way you want to have a real rally is to keep things under control. The S&P oscillator remains in oversold territory, signaling a buying opportunity. We added to our position in Texas Roadhouse, TXRH, on further weakness. 2. Capital One gets another upgrade, big opportunity ahead. 1. Evercore ISI upgraded Capital One, COF, the second buy equivalent rating in 2 days. 2. Jim Cramer's take. I insisted you buy this one. Despite concerns over its lending to at-risk consumers, COF's acquisition of Discover Financial, DFS, is a game-changer. Jeff Marks. This deal will generate a lot of cash, strengthening Capital One's position. 3. We've been steadily adding to our Capital One position since initiating last week. 3. Apple faces headwinds. Morgan Stanley lowers price target. 1. Morgan Stanley cut its Apple AAPL price target from $275 to $252. 2. Reasons for the downgrade. Delayed advanced Siri rollout, leading to weaker iPhone upgrade demand. Lower shipment estimates for 2025 to 2026, down 1% to 5%. $2 billion in higher costs due to Chinese tariffs. Revenue and EPS estimates cut by 5% to 6% for FY 2026. 3. Jim Cramer's take. Apple is facing short-term challenges, but long-term fundamentals remain strong. 4. Rapid-fire stock updates. Jim Cramer shared quick takes on these stocks at the end of the meeting. 1. PepsiCo, PEP. Consumer staples performance. 2. Verizon VZ, telecom sector update. 3. Crocs. Retail and footwear trends. Final thoughts, how to play the market now. 1. Tech stocks are rebounding while defensives are cooling off. 2. Capital One continues to be a strong buy, with its Discover deal positioning it for long-term growth. 3. Apple is facing short-term pressure, but it remains a dominant force in the market. 4. Jim Cramer's strategy. Buying selectively on weakness. Texas Roadhouse, Capital One. Watching inflation data closely to gauge future Fed moves. That's it for Wednesday's market recap. Be sure to subscribe and join us on Patreon for exclusive insights and real-time market updates. Patreon.com/user. U=804061114#. Jim Cramer #, stock market #, investing #, Capital One #, Apple #, tariffs #, Texas Roadhouse #, finance news.